In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to comment on a YouTube short. First, open your preferred web browser and head to youtube.com. Make sure you're connected to the internet and, ideally, signed in to your YouTube account so your comment can be posted under your profile. If you're not signed in, YouTube may prompt you later, but being logged in from the start keeps things smooth. Once you're on the site, open the short you want to engage with. Shorts are the vertical, quick videos that often have a small Shorts icon and typically open in a streamlined player. You can pick one from the homepage's Shorts shelf, from a channel's Shorts tab, or from any link you already have. The key is to open the specific short where you want to leave your thoughts. Now that the short is open, look for the comments area. On many browsers, you can simply scroll down beneath the video frame to find it. You'll see a section labeled Comments where viewers are sharing reactions and feedback. If you don't see it right away, scroll a bit more until it appears. Keep in mind that some creators turn off comments. If that's the case, the option to comment won't be visible. When you find the Comments section, click where it says Add a Comment. This will place your cursor in the text field and get it ready for typing. Take a moment to think about what you want to say. Clear, respectful, and specific comments tend to get the best engagement. You can reference something you liked in the short, ask a brief question, or share a helpful tip related to the content. If you want to mention someone, you can type the @ symbol followed by their channel name. And simple emojis usually work fine to add tone. Type your comment in the box. Before posting, consider a quick proofread. Checking your spelling and making sure your message says exactly what you intend can avoid confusion later. Also, avoid sharing any personal or sensitive information. Comments are public, and keeping your privacy in mind is always a good idea. When you're happy with your comment, press Enter on your keyboard to post it. On some devices or browsers, you might also see a dedicated Post or Send button. Pressing Enter typically does the same thing. After posting, your comment should appear in the thread. If you don't see it immediately, give it a moment or refresh the page. That's all there is to it. You've gone to YouTube, opened the short, scrolled to the comments section, clicked Add a Comment, and posted your message by pressing Enter. Happy commenting!